everybody, welcome to my channel. As I promised, we're going to dive into the world of sweet and savory macarons. The base of the recipe for the shell are almost the same. Almond flour, sugar, egg white. I'm sure you already know the recipe. Many people try to replace the salt with the sugar. It will not work. A savory macaron is very similar to the sweet counterpart, with a few adjustments. Instead of the sweet filling, we're going to introduce this sophisticated goat cheese. When the savory filling comes in contact with the sweet shell, watch the magic happen. This combination is the bomb. Let's watch. What a beauty! I make sweet macarons and savory macarons. Which one is your favorite? Please drop a comment below. The possibilities are endless. Our foie gras filling is very good. Please try it. Sweet or savory? Telle est la question. Keep experimenting, have fun, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.